Hello all, welcome to my channel Unique Learners. Today I am here with the new topic, that is the addition of the like and unlike fractions. Okay, so without wasting time, let us start with our topic. What is the topic today? Addition of the like fractions. What are, first of all, you all should know what are like fractions. As you all know, like fractions are the fractions which has the same denominator, right? Like fraction, adding up of the like fraction is very easy, right? What to do in this? See here, 7, 7, 3 upon 7 plus 2 upon 7. It means 7 are the denominators and 3 and 2 are the numerators. Now we have to do 7, same denominator, it means they are like fractions. So here what we have to do, we have to learn the formula. This is addition of the numerators upon common denominator, right? What is here? We have to take out the first common denominator. एक ही denominator लेते हैं and numerators को add कर देते हैं. So like fractions are very easy. So here the common is 7. So we will take 7 common and we will add on the numerators. 3 plus 2 is equal to 3 plus 2 is 5 upon 7. So this is the answer. I hope this you get it how to do. Same we do with the subtraction also. If there is a subtraction, there will be a sign of subtraction. There we take out the common denominator and add on the numerators. Now let us see this question. 1 upon 9 and 4 upon 9. This is also we have to add. So these are the denominators. We will take the common denominator 9 and we will add the numerators. 1 upon 1 plus 4 is 5 and 5 upon 9. Okay, so this is how we do the addition of the like fractions. Now let us start with the addition and subtraction of the unlike fractions. Okay, now as we have learned about the addition and subtraction of the like fractions, now I'll tell you addition or subtraction this is same. If as we are doing addition, same will be the subtraction also of unlike fractions. First of all, you should know what is the meaning of unlike fractions. As you know, unlike fractions means when the denominators are different. Numerator you don't care about it, what are the numerators, but in this denominators should be different. That is called the unlike fractions. Now how to do in this? When we have to do this unlike fractions, addition or subtraction, we have to make the denominators same. Then only when the denominators will be same, then the procedure will be like the like fractions only. So we have to make them like fractions, it means we have to do the denominator same. First method is how to do this. What we do, take this, because we have to make the denominator same, we can do like this. We take this 1 upon 5, okay, multiply, okay, by the, because we have to make the denominator same. तो उसके सामने वाला डिनोमिनेटर जो होता है we take it here. This is the first method. इसके सामने कौन सा डिनोमिनेटर है? 4. So we will multiply the denominator with this number. Okay. And then when we are multiplying denominator with this denominator, सामने वाले denominator से, so the numerator will also be multiplied by the same. क्योंकि हम आपको पता है equivalent fractions बनाते हैं, तो we always do कि जिससे हम डिनोमिनेटर को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं वो उसी से हम न्यूमरेटर को भी करते हैं. सो इधर 4 से किया है तो वी विल मल्टीप्लाई हियर आल्सो बाय 4. एडिशन, सिंबल इज ऑफ एडिशन. अगर यहाँ सब्ट्रैक्शन होता तो वी विल पुट सब्ट्रैक्शन हियर. देन वी विल राइट द सेम डिजिट 3 upon 4 मल्टीप्लाई. नाउ व्हाट वी हैव टू डू हियर कि इसके सामने कौन सा है डिनोमिनेटर? 5. तो व्हाट वी विल डू हियर 4 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5. राइट. देन इसको 5 से किया है तो इसको भी 5 से करना पड़ेगा. Here it is 3 multiplied by 5. Okay. Now 4 ones are 4 and 5 fours are 20 plus 3 5s are 15, 5 4s are 20. Okay, now see, these are like fractions. Now they have become the like fractions. 20 20 both the denominators we will add on with the previous method only. जैसे हमने like fractions को किया है. We will take 20 as common and in the numerator we will write 4 plus 15. 15 plus 4 is 19. So is equal to 19 upon 20. This is the answer. Is it okay with you all? I think you got it how to add on the unlike fraction. I will explain you the other method also. This I will tell you in the another sum. Because इसका जब हम LCM करते हैं, एक LCM method से भी करते हैं. But if we will find out the LCM, here the LCM will be the same, right? तो उस same में आपको difference नहीं पता चलेगा. तो I'll just explain you with the other sum जिसमें हमारा LCM different होगा और multiply करने का तरीका दूसरा होगा. Okay, let us start. Okay, as I have told you this method how to addition of the unlike fractions. Now this is another digit. Let us do first the previous method only जो मैंने अभी सिखाया था आपको. 2 upon 4 plus 5 upon 6. Now see, again the denominators are different. It means they are unlike. First we have to make them the like digits, like denominators. And how we will do here? 2 upon 4 multiply by, किससे multiply करेंगे हम? 4 के सामने क्या है? 6. So here it is 6 and here also we multiply by 6. Denominator or numerator same numbers. Plus here it is 5 upon 6 multiply. किससे करेंगे? 6 के सामने क्या है? 4. So here 4 and here 4. 6 2s are 12. 6 4s are 24. Plus 5 4s are 20. 6 4s are 24. Now see, 24 like fractions are there. What we will do here? 24 upon 12 plus 20 is 2 is here, 32, right? So this is this. Now see here, 24 denominator is smaller than the numerator. So what we have to do? We have to reduce it. It means we have to divide both these things with the number which comes with in both one table only. Suppose now see, 4 से हम divide कर सकते हैं इसको. Divided by 4. 4 8s are 32. 4 6s are 24. Right? 8 upon 6. Again the denominator is this. We can divide it by 2 again. 2 4s are 8. 2 3s are 6. 4 upon 3. Now see, again this is denominator is small. Then we have to reduce it in a mixed fraction. 3 1s are 3. 1 upon 3. So this can be the answer. लेकिन हमें इसको reduce करना होता है क्योंकि अगर denominator छोटा होता है तो हमें reduce करना होता है. So this is the method which I explained you. Easy method, कोई problem नहीं होती है. Denominator के सामने वाले denominator से multiply करते हैं. Now I will teach you the second method. How to do the second method here also. See, one method is this कि ये सामने वाले denominator से multiply करते हैं. Second is we have to take out the LCM. अब LCM क्या होगा? 6 और 4 का. Let us find out the LCM of 6 and 4. As you know, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 3 1 2, 2 1 1. Right? This is second method. Right? So LCM here is 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12. LCM of, you write it how? LCM of 4 and 6 is equal to 12. Right? It means this is the common denominator is this. 12 is the common denominator. Now here what we will do? 2 upon 4. Now here comes the denominator comes 12. Now can you find it out कि 12 कैसे आया है? 4 3 से is 12. It means हमने इसको 3 से मल्टीप्लाई किया है तो 4 3 से 12 आया है डिनोमिनेटर. तो अभी हम क्या करेंगे? यही 3 इंटू यहाँ पर 3 किया है ना हमने. 4 3 से 12 क्योंकि जब पहले हम इसमें एलसीएम निकालते हैं, एलसीएम निकालने के बाद वो वाली डिजिट लिखते हैं. फर्स्ट डिजिट लिखी, उसके बाद उसका डिनोमिनेटर लिखा. 4 3 से 12 तो न्यूमरेटर में भी 3 से ही हमें मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. दिस इज ऑल यू नो इज इक्वल टू 2 3 6. So here it is 6 upon 12 plus नाउ सेकेंड डिजिट इज 5/6. नाउ इसका भी डिनोमिनेटर हमारा 12 आया है, क्योंकि एलसीएम 12 आया है, तो इट मींस इट इज अ डिनोमिनेटर 12 आया है, तो 6 2 जा 12 है, तो 5 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 10/12. 6/12 plus 10/12. 12 is common, and here it is 16, right? Now we have to, because denominator is small, this is we can reduce as 2 8 are 16, 2 6 are 12, again 4 are 3 are, and answer is 1/3. Now all of you, can you understand? I think these both are the easy method. या तो आप इसको क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर लेते हैं सामने वाले डिनोमिनेटर से, पहले एक डिजिट को मल्टीप्लाई किया, फिर दूसरे डिजिट को न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर को सेम नंबर से, सेम डिनोमिनेटर सामने वाले डिनोमिनेटर से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. दूसरा मेथड है आपका कि आप एलसीएम फाइंड आउट करते हैं. एलसीएम फाइंड आउट करने के लिए आपके पास कॉमन डिनोमिनेटर आ जाता है, आप उसको लिखते हैं जिस टेबल में वो आता है, डिनोमिनेटर के जिस टेबल में आता है उसी से आप न्यूमरेटर को मल्टीप्लाई कर आप आंसर एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन सेम तरीके से कर सकते हैं. एंड द लास्ट वन इज कि अगर आपका न्यूमरेटर छोटा है, डिनोमिनेटर छोटा है और न्यूमरेटर बड़ा हो जाता है, तो आप क्या करते हैं, आप उसको रिड्यूस करते हैं. और रिड्यूस आपको आता ही है ऑलरेडी कि हम या तो उसको एक ही नंबर से डिवाइड करते हैं, अदरवाइज डिवाइड करके आप मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन में उसका आंसर ले आते हैं. आई थिंक this will be useful to you. If you like my video, please don't forget to like it, subscribe it. Okay, bye bye, meet you soon with another video. We will meet. Okay, bye bye.